All right, and this is the final example for 2.04. Sometimes you're not given a line or the slope. Sometimes you're given 2 points. So we need to review the slope formula from 2 points. So m is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's going to give us the slope if they give us 2 points. All right, so let's start off with example 2. So example 2, line A passes through the points -4, 1, and 12. Line B passes through the points 3, 4, and -1, 6. Are these lines parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So I'll do the first half. They're going to do the second half. Then you'll check you'll have the answers, hopefully. I don't know. You figure it out. All right, so here's line A. Here's line B. So for A, I'll write out my points. -4, 2, 1, 12. All right, and I'm going to go slow. That means I'm going to label everything. So here's x1, y1, x2, y2. So for me to see whether line A is parallel or perpendicular or neither with line B, I need to check the slopes of line A with the slope of line B. To check the slope, I need to use the slope formula, right? That's the whole reason we reviewed it. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right, to plug in our values, right? So y2 is 12 minus y1 is 2 over x2, which is 1, minus -4. So 1, -4. So one thing to note, very, very common here, is that there is a negative here as part of the formula, but on this one, x1 was -4. So you need the negative for the formula, x1 is -4. That's 2 negatives. Please be careful with this. A lot of students make mistakes there. And that's going to give us 10. This becomes a plus over 5, and then that is 2. So the slope of line A is going to be 2. I'll start you off with line B. Line B, let's write down the points. 3, 4, -1, 6. Let's label. I'll label for you. I got you. Let's write down the formula just to help us remember. MB is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. MB is going to be equal to minus sign. MB is equal to, Now, the question is, once you have both slope, right, do the calculation to find the second slope and tell me whether it's parallel, perpendicular, or neither, right? Make sure you have an answer in your notes. All right, I'll leave it to you to finish up, and you should have some practice to follow up with this. Thank you.